Welcome to English Trivia Games. Articles can be tricky, so today we're putting your grammar to the ultimate test. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. I need a pencil. I had a headache all morning. Is there any water in the city? My friend is an engineer. It is the coldest place in Asia. My brother wants to become an architect. Paris is the capital of France. I have an uncle who lives in Canada. Look at the moon. It is so bright tonight. Do you like apple juice? Let's meet at the cafe down the street. They live in a big house in the countryside. We usually have breakfast at 8 a.m. I need an hour to finish this report. He plays the guitar very well. She loves European culture and history. The Sahara Desert is located in Africa. I am in a hurry, so I can't talk right now. This house is made of stone. Do you have a computer at home? The cheetah is the fastest land animal. It is a pleasure to work with you. I need to go to the post office to send a letter. My cousin plays basketball every Tuesday. Happiness is something everyone looks for. It was an unexpected turn of events. Iron is an essential mineral for our body. My sister is afraid of spiders. He acts as if he knows the whole truth. We stayed at the Hilton Hotel during our trip. She plays the piano very well. She wants an apple from the basket. The Pacific Ocean is huge. He found a key under the sofa. He drinks milk every morning. I stayed in bed all day because I was sick. I saw an eagle flying overhead. I hate rainy weather. I can't remember the title of the book. She moved to South Africa last year. Please turn off the light when you leave the room. They are traveling to Japan next spring. He updates his portfolio 3 times a week. Excuse me, I want to speak to the manager, please. Congratulations, this is the end of the grammar test. How many questions did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments below.